My name is Colleen Hepner. I am the admissions counselor for the dietetics internship program here at the University of Indianapolis. And I'm joined today with the program coordinator, Dr. Brian Reagan, who's graciously taken time out of his very busy schedule today to join us to talk about our program. Just so you know, we are the University of Indianapolis. We're a small private institution located just 10 minutes south of Indianapolis. And our program is located in the Department of Kinesiology, Health and Sports Sciences. I'm going to let Dr. Reagan introduce himself and chat a little bit about his background. And then I will go back and talk a little bit about the program. So, Dr. Reagan.
Thanks, Colleen. I'll be brief here. You're welcome to ask any questions that you might want. I assume people that are here with the interest of knowing more about the program have probably seen the website and some of the things that we have, the area of expertise that you get out of here. So I do have a background in a variety of sports, namely tennis and golf as the proverbial tennis teaching pro. So I've worked with pro athletes all the way to lower, to younger ones. So the teaching experience is both in the motor area world, and then being a professor at the college university level. So both 20 years in both of those. So I also have an area of expertise is eating disorders, disordered eating, and then scope of practice, misinformation. I'm heavy into that as well, not just in practice, but research. That last bullet point is one of my most favorite ones. I am a member of the board. Every respective state has a board of A&D, which you should know is your governing body for your profession. And I'm on I'm the Indiana's consumer protection report, which basically I guard against scope of practice issues, people practicing not doing dietitian things without being a dietitian. So all good experience and practice that I give to our students in our program. So I look forward to meeting all of you and answering all your questions.
Great, thank you. So let's get started and talk a little bit about the program itself. So as you probably are aware, our dietetic internship program has a sport nutrition concentration. And we'll cover that a little bit more extensively in a little bit. It is a 1-year accelerated program. It is intense in nature. It is rigorous, and it is 2 semesters. We have a total of 12 and a half credits and 1,200 supervised practice hours within that time frame. Our cohort is very small. We pride ourselves at the university on putting students kind of first. So that small cohort, the maximum size is 6. So you get that one-on-one interaction with both your mentors, with the sport nutrition concentration, and with Dr. Reagan. All of our locations where you'll do your rotations are located close to campus or on campus. So there isn't a lot of extensive driving involved as well. And the health pavilion, which is where our department is located, it was built in 2015, and it is high tech. It has a simulation center, and we pair with the School of Nursing to utilize that to give you added experience for things that you may not get when you're out in the field. A little bit about the rotations, and I'll let Dr. Reagan expand on these later. Food service management, you'll get 300 hours. That's done on both the UIndy campus and at Community Hospital. The community nutrition, again, that's 300 hours as well. And that's, again, with the UIndy community teaching demonstration. We have an extensive healthy diploma program, both for undergraduate students, and we have a healthy diploma program for the staff and faculty at the university as well. And our current dietetic students write articles for our newsletter, which I read every single week that they come out. They're very extensive, and they give a lot of great information. And you'll also work with the Indiana State Department of Health in various aspects there as well. The clinical nutrition is of the most hours at 600 hours at Community Health Network. We are paired with them. They have a facility. They have facilities all over the Indianapolis area. And so they're conveniently located. And the nursing simulation center is where some of the other areas that you'll have in a controlled environment. Sport nutrition concentration, students average about 3 hours every single week throughout the program working in sports. You'll do things like one-on-one nutrition consultations with specific athletes with a team that you're paired with. For example, some of our dietetic students are working with the soccer program and with baseball. And you'll help with selection of pre-game snacks, in-game snacks, drinks, things like that. Practicing, conditioning, workouts. You'll visit a lot of things because not only are you learning the sport nutrition, you have to learn a little bit about sport. And Dr. Regan will expand on that a little bit later as well. And then team meetings, you participate as part of those as well. One other thing that one of our dietitians is currently working, our dietetic interns is working on, is an analysis of the starting team that she's working with. So the athletes gather all the information, and then she provides an analysis to them about what they're eating and what they can do to help improve their performance. The application process, I'm going to jump into this right now, and I can answer questions about that a little bit later. We do a rolling admissions, which means once your application is completed, we review for admission. So if a student completes their application, submits it, and you're admitted, that spot is essentially kind of reserved for you. However, we do have a deposit that is required to hold that spot. So once we hit 6 applicants, if I have a 7th completed application, if someone hasn't deposited yet, I'll reach out to them and say, yeah, if you don't deposit, I'm going to open this spot to someone else. And so until we have 6 deposited students, applications will be continued to be received. A completed application is required. The application fee is actually $50. That is a typo on my end. We require official transcripts for all institutions that you've attended. If you are a current student, which I suspect all of you are, except for maybe 1 or 2, you can submit an unofficial transcript. We can review for admission based on that. That saves you money, which I'm all about, and makes it a little bit more convenient for you to submit that. That way we can review for admission, but we do require your official conferred degree once you've completed everything and graduated from your institution. Verification statement, if you either have an intent to complete or completion verification statement, that is required. Personal statement, talking a little bit about why you want to get into dietetics, and what you've done, and as far as experience, why UIndy is a good fit for you. If you have athletic experience working with athletes or in sport, please mention that. A resume is as well, and recommendations, and a letters of recommendation, or we do a survey. So on our website, you'll notice we also have a preferred selection into an upcoming year cohort, and a little bit about that. Students who opt to enroll into one of our graduate programs, and we have a number of them. The most logical and the one that most students who are interested in this area select is the Master of Science in Exercise Science. That's a 1-year accelerated program. It's campus-based. So you can enroll in that, complete that program, and then roll into the dietetics internship program the following year. That spot is reserved for you. So you don't have to worry about losing your spot if you enroll in that, the graduate program first. So with 6 spots, we have, like I said, limited availability, but that can ensure you have space available if you choose to go that route. A little bit about the University of Indianapolis. You'll often hear us refer to it as UIndy. It was founded in 1902, and we're home to over 5,000 undergraduates, 5,000 students, and 1,500 are graduate students. We're located 10 minutes south of Indianapolis, so we have access to a lot of different areas within the city. We represent 40 different states, 55 countries, and we have a Division II school for team sports. Again, the College of Health Sciences is where our program is located. These are some of the graduate programs that you can elect to enroll in to reserve previous or future dietetics internship admission. Again, the Master of Science in Exercise Science is one of them. Master of Public Health is an online program. The Master of Science in Healthcare Administration and the Master of Science in Aging Studies, they're all online programs, which make it convenient while you're completing your degree. Again, a little bit about Indianapolis. We have a wide variety of professional sports. Again, like I mentioned, 10 minutes south of there. We're on the red line directly into the city. We have multiple colleges here, so there's a lot of activity and things to do. We host a lot of college championship games, football, basketball. The college football national championship game is going to be located in Indianapolis, and the students currently in some of our other programs have a lot of volunteer opportunities. You get exposure to a lot of really cool things within the state. We always have a large One America 500 mini marathon. I have not run that. I'm not a runner. My husband did though. So it's huge, as you can tell by the photo. The number of people who run it is large numbers. Soccer, baseball, the NCAA headquarters are located here. So we have a lot of things that are athletic related. So I'm going to send you a copy of this PowerPoint. So there'll be links available and information available as we go through it. There's a virtual campus tour in here. Wonderful to kind of provide you some information about the campus, a virtual health pavilion tour to kind of give you an idea of what that looks like, and some information about on-campus housing, which we have apartments and more dormitory style options as well.